Hey there, hi there, ho there. I am uber excited. I have been doing some transforming and moving around and all of that, but I want to welcome you to my new creation, the Glam Dungeon. This is going to be my photography, art studio, and office with a little boudoir. So you're seeing the boudoir now. The ceilings, the walls, the flooring, all of that had to be redone, painted, insulated, drywall. This is again a basement. And this is the boudoir part, hideaway. If I want to get away, I want to stay a couple of nights here and there, I can. It's a little escape. I want to say that I didn't do any of the work but the painting on the walls and the flooring. What you see is a piece of old artwork. The glass was broken. I took the glass out. I painted the frame. I added affirmations in the frame, and all of the furnishings you'll see are from Habitat of Humanity. So all of this is used furniture that I've painted, spray painted, and the fabric on the lampshades, the fabric on the floor is from Mainstay. And yes, that's fabric on the floor. There is a sheet on the lampshades and buttons. That's from Mainstay, that sheer covering the window. And then also the sheer that's over the bed. That is from Mainstay. I had to make a little canopy. So Mainstay, gratitude. We still have to put the outlet coverings. So yeah, again, all the coverings have to put over the outlets and the heating vent. But the stickers and all of the little candle holders, from the big ones to the small ones, the ones that are on the table, all from the Dollar Tree. So this was an extremely inexpensive thing to do. It's just natural for me. And don't you just love the buttons on the lampshade and the lamp? That's just gorgeous to me. And again, gratitude to Habitat Humanity, Dollar Tree, and Mainstay. There you have it.